Hi, and in this second video we're going to deal with posts. So I'm going to log in first. And we can see that we've got some posts sitting here, or if I click on the menu here and click on posts, let's have a look at what a post actually is. Well, currently we've got this post showing online, which is what you're using in the for the special offer. So if I go to the website itself, you can see here we've got this post, and if I click on it, we've got that massive discount information, all that information there. Okay, so we've got that's what one use of a post. We've also got these sliders with content, with the image content. So if we went to, for instance, the cottages slider, we can see here that this actually hasn't got any content at all. It's just got a title, but we have got this featured image text here. We've got a caption running here, and then we've clicked in the categories over here that it's featured, and you can see the special offers there. If we go back to that special offer here, you can see that the special offers is ticked. So basically, with posts, it's a way of creating content that can be used in different ways. One way is to use it as a slider image, like we use on the home page here. So that's, and the other way that we're using posts currently on your website is to manage the special offers. So if we wanted to create a new post, we would click on Add New here, or we could click on here. So there's lots of different ways to do it, but for the most part, what I've done is, because I've already created posts in there for you, probably the easiest option right now is to just edit the ones that I've already created. So if you wanted like more than one special offer, I've got that one there, special offer 2 and 3. You could just click on them to edit them, change the title in the top, change the text here, and then we click publish over here, make sure it's clicked in special offers, and that would show up then in this list here. So let's just go through now and modify one of these. So this special offer number 2, I'm going to instead call it summer holidays offer. Okay, now I'm going to grab the text from this one here, so that because the site's live, so that there's still something consistent there. So I'm just going to paste that in there, and we've got the same text here. Now we're in HTML mode at the moment, but you've also got this visual mode that gives you these nice icons similar to how you would use Word. You can see that text there. I could format that text with different styles. I could change the color of it. I could add a hyperlink to it. So if we selected that there as an email address, click on the little link button here, put in, we'll put, let's say, I'm going to put in there the words mail to : like that, and then add that link, and that's now become a hyperlink. Or I could put an image in here. So I'm going to, put my cursor where I want to insert the image. Then along here we've got these little icons. If you hover over them, that's add an image, add a video, add audio, add another kind of media such as a PDF file or something like that. So if I click on add an image, I get this dialog box coming up. I can click select files, choose a file from from my hard drive. So I'm going to choose that one. It's going to upload that image, and then I've got all those image details. I can give the image a title, give it alt text for search engines, give it a caption, a description, and then I can choose. I'm going to choose that I want to put the the full size one in there, or I could put a thumbnail in there. I'm going to choose that it's going to be left aligned and save the changes there. And then if I want to, when I want to click that, put that image in the page, I'm going to go right, let's go full, left, insert into post, and you can see that image is now in the post. If I hover over this image and right click on it, or just hover over it, I get these, I can bring those options up again, I can make it smaller. I've got advanced settings here where I can actually choose the dimensions. I can add a border to it, and I can do lots of other things. So let's put some spacing around it and click on update. And there you go, I've got some nice spacing around the image and I've reduced the size of it. So I'm now going to put this live. So I'm going to click on the publish button. Over here you've got the status, so you can see that it's published. I could edit that, and I could put pending review or put it into draft mode. I could decide whether it's public or private, so I could select that I want it to be password protected, and then people couldn't actually see that page unless they had the password. And I can also select when I want it to be published. So if I wanted it to be published a date in the past, I could do that, or if I didn't want it to go live until a date in the future, I could also do that. So I could set a date for, let's say, September. Well, let's choose today's date for a start. Let's choose today and set that to publish. So if we went to the home page now, you can see that because that special offer, I've set the date to today, it's sitting at the top of the list because it runs in date order. So there you've got that that post has been updated. Click on it and there's all the details. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that post now. I'm actually going to put it into draft mode rather than just deleting it. Update. Go back to the home page and you'll see it's now been removed. So that's how you do a post for special offers. Let's have a look at the posts now for the home page. So if I go back to the posts again, and I'm going to choose this well, let's start from new with that. So click on add new, and I'm going to call this slider example. Now I don't need to put any content, I just want to use an image in this, so I'm going to select here. I'm going to choose an image, so I could choose from my media library or upload one. Now let's see what happens when we upload an image. Let's choose that's not a bad image, let's choose that. So we're going to upload that. Now when we're doing an image slide, what we want to do is we want this is the link to the actual file. So we want to actually copy that. There's no way of automating this, but we just copy that. So I'm going to press Ctrl C, or I could right click and copy. Close that down. So I've got that copied, and see where it says featured image URL. So if I put in there, paste. Okay, and then do I want to hide the caption? No, I want to put some text in there. So I'm going to put in a great place to stay. Do I want that to link to somewhere? So I'm going to actually link it to the Holiday Cottages pages. So I've gone to the website here. I'm going to grab the URL for that page and put that in there. And then that's linked. That's all there. I'm going to select that it's featured, and I'm going to publish. If we go to the website and refresh the page, if we go to the last slider now, you can see there's that image. Great place to say. And what it's also done is it's resized the image. It looks a bit pixelated because it's resized the image to crop into that area. So when you're up changing the images there, you don't have to worry about getting it exact. However, it could become slightly pixelated if you upload a really small image. So it is a good idea to crop it out. But this is just as an example to show you how it's done. So we've learnt in this video how to add posts and edit posts. So then finally, in the next video, we're going to look at how to edit pages.